Hello, teacher. My name is Laura Samaya Escobar Trujillo. I exposition the cell. Listen, the cell from the Latin cellula, diminutive of cell, is the morphological and functional unit for every living being. In fact, the cell is the smallest element that can be considered a two in this way living organisms can be classified according to the number of the cells they have. If they only have one, they are called unicellular, such a protozoa, a bacteria, microscopic organisms. If they have more, they are called multicellular. In the latter, the number of the cells is variable from the 500 and some nematodes the 104 billions 140. As the case of humans, the cells are usually dim in the size and in the mass, although there are much larger cells. Animal cells, the cell theory proposed in 138 from plants, for plants and then 139 for animal therapy. Matthias Jacob Schilling and Theodore Schwimmer postulates that all organisms are composite of cells. All organisms are composite of cells and they are cellulary from our precedents. In this way, albeit and fusion emanates from the cellular multicellular and from the international bit and cells. Further, the position of genetic information, the basis of the inheritance in the DNA allows the transmission of the data information from generation to generation. The appearance of the first living organisms on Earth is usually associated with the birth of the first cell, although there are many hypotheses that spectacular of it happened in the usually described that the process began thanks to the transformation of the organics molecules into organics on undersweet environment conditions after these biomolecules associative giving rise to complement entities capable of the cell replication. There are possible fossil evidence of cellular structure in rocks dated to around 4 or 0.5 billion years, gigayears or 5.6. Not one very strong evidence has been found for unicellular life forms fossilizated in microstructure in rocks of the Strehlet Pool Formation in West Australia 3.4 ga old. It's albeit the oldest cell found that additional evidence shows that its metabolism will be unearthing or suffer the history of the biology and bring like into technology developing that could support its study in the way French approach to the morphology PG with the popular of the road the light microscope of common lens in the 17th century. It was supplemented with various historical techniques for microscopy. Thanks for your attention.